How's everyone? This is Coach, and today is Movement Monday. I'm gonna try my best to do every Monday, share with you a movement breakdown, and today we're gonna do a hinge. A hinge is a posterior exercise that works not only the glutes and the hamstrings, but also the upper back and the whole erector spinae. But it works on improving your posture as well as can be used for injury prevention. So today we're gonna do the hinge or remaining deadlift. And first, before we get into that, hinge here, hips go back, okay? So back is gonna be nice and flat, and the movement starts from the hip. So I try to tell people, always think of it as if there's like a rod going through your knees. It sounds horrible, but just think rod going through your knees and stabilize there. So you can't be going forward, it's stuck there. So the movement initiates at the hip, from there. That's the hinge movement. Hips go back, right back up. Often, people tend to have a hard time engaging the hamstrings and the glutes, so they end up doing this, and their back becomes more engaged, and they're feeling all their back is doing the brunt of the work. So, in order to better do that, let me get this thing first. You can get like a broomstick or a pole like this, and I want you to keep your head, your back, and your low back intact. In that position, see, move it, there. It's back, back up. It's back, back up. Now, what happens a lot of times if we don't have the right strength or flexibility in the hamstring, this happens. We start good, but then we start rolling back. And that means we're like, oh, too bad. So we're gonna fix that posture. So if you have a hard time doing a full range because you lose that posture here, just focus on keeping that posture. That's all we're doing. We're teaching your body to do the proper movement pattern. Once you're able to do that hinge without a load, then we can add a load. So, adding a load, say with dumbbells, keep the dumbbell close to your body, hips go back, same position, and right back up. Now what we gotta be aware of is the load of the weight. When we are here, if the weight out in front of us, the center of gravity changes. So rather than being in line with our base, the center of gravity goes out in front of us. Now, what's happening is as it goes out here, gravity up there is pulling more on our back. So we have to keep it close to us to keep the center of gravity and the center of mass within our base. As it gets away from our base, we start to create some unnecessary torque in the lower back. So that's with the dumbbell. The same movement, dumbbell, got the barbell, same thing. It's back up, back up. You can grab the barbell, back up. So no matter what tool you use, movement is the same. The load could be different, but the movement stays the same. I could even go into a exerter position here, chest up, hips back. So, hope you guys enjoyed that quick breakdown of Movement Monday. If you have any questions about the hinge, make sure to leave them in the comment section below. Share this with your friends, or just talk stories with me as well. So, mahalo again, and awi ho.